This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Marvel Powers United on Oculus Quest 2. It's important to understand the game's history. Marvel Powers United VR was originally an exclusive title for the Oculus Rift platform, not the Quest 2. Sadly, the game was officially discontinued and removed from all digital storefronts on March 1st, 2021. This means it is no longer available for purchase or download through any official channels. The game's initial release was tied to the Oculus Rift, requiring a high-end gaming PC to power the virtual reality experience. Unlike the standalone Oculus Quest 2, it wasn't designed for mobile VR. Furthermore, when the game was shut down, its online servers were deactivated. This made the game completely unplayable, even for those who owned it, as it required server checks. Expiring licensing agreements with Marvel were a likely factor in its discontinuation. While Marvel Powers United VR is no longer accessible, the landscape of virtual reality gaming has evolved significantly. Today, the Oculus Quest 2 offers a wide array of fantastic superhero-themed games. Titles such as Iron Man VR provide immersive experiences where you can embody iconic heroes. You can find many other action-packed games with cooperative elements directly on the Quest store, offering new adventures. The world of virtual reality is constantly growing, with new and exciting games being released regularly. While Marvel Powers United VR is a part of VR history, the future holds potential for new Marvel experiences on modern headsets. Keep an eye on official announcements for upcoming titles. For the best and most reliable gaming, always choose officially supported games available through the Quest store.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.